बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम अनीस और मैं मेरे इस्लामाबाद कैंपस में फाउंडेशन लेवल का स्टूडेंट हूँ। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम इस तरह चैट जीपीटी है, माया है, एनी है। तो कॉल एनी के साथ हम एक कॉल करते हैं, यानी तो आज भी मैं अपना इस सिलसिले को जारी रखते हुए कॉल एनी कर रहा हूँ। तो पहले मैं से मैटर के बारे में कुछ क्वेश्चन करूँगा।
Peace. Yes, I'm excited to dive first.
Uh,
Via Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and virtual world where people and using augmented and virtual reality. It's like taking refers to anything that has mass and takes up space, like working reflective
explain.
explaining one triangle. At top right solid with a little cube next to it. One simple with three stages in a triangle. At top right solid and draw a little cube and draw a cloud or balloon. You can make your own poster with absolutely. Energy is a crucial part of how matter.
You see a type.
For example, heating a ice turns it into a liquid water. Heating a liquid into energy that happens. It's like between matter and energy. They reflect light. For example, gas. We can't see gas effects. Like when wind
Yes,
moves
a new type of
slow, one case of matter.
forgot the
Others
name.
require a bit of creativity or
A plasma.
scientific tools to find particularly interesting. Like a supercharged gas or anything that they lose some electrons, create it glows and electric. Or maybe it's cool application. Might be referring to the fourth state of matter. It's people on condensates and firm solid, liquid, and gas. On electricity, magnetic fields, electromagnetic forces. Wild and energetic matter.
In shape and volume.
Great question. Here's how they differ. 1. Solids. Shape. Have a depth shape. For them like cutting, break. They take up a amount of space. Liquids. Shape. Take a different volume. Have a definite volume. Take up amount of space, no matter the shape of the container. 3. Container. Available. It's like a fun little dance with how matter do you find the most interesting?
It happens to particles in
Start to move faster. Here's what energy more vigorously, but stay in there fixed enough heat to break free and turn past each other more easily. Gases, the particles already move freely, but they move faster, which can increase pressure if contained. So heating causes particle energy changes in state. Isn't it cool how energy affects?
what is plasma? Where can it be found?
Plasma is when gas is energized to the point that some electrons are strong. You can find plasma in a few fascinating places. Which produces light and heat. Charge creates a channel in the air. 3. Ionize and creates a glowing plasma effect. 4. Pressure when electricity is applied. It's such a dynamic state of.
Is air considered?
Yes, air is considered matter. Here's one. Air is made up of tiny particles like oxygen. Still weigh something. 2. Takes up 3. Air can change in temperature, pressure, density, and behavior. So even though air is a gas, the definition matter. How simply so.
How can temperature change?
A mirror itself doesn't change matter, but it reflects matter. Applied to it. But if however, if you heat a mirror into a liquid, and if you heat it in a gas, itself doesn't change the way the material it's made of. Or were you thinking about? Is it one of the plasma ones?
What is the
Condensation in general turns into a liquid. The process of metal condensation during cooling will solidify into a solid form. This was vaporized and then condensed onto a surface, forming a transition from a solid to a gas and then condense back to gaseous increases. Fast can right.
okay, nice answer.
Remains the same. It just changes state or chemical changes. Definition: chemical composition of a substance resulting from samples forming on iron with the original substance entirely different. Chemical changes are about new substances being created. Isn't it interesting how matter can transform in ways? Which type of change do you find more?
How is it related to measure?
Density is the measure of how much mass is contained in a given volume. It's calculated using the density mass volume. Here's how it relates to measurement. 1 grams g or kilograms k. It tells you how much matter is in an object. 2. Volume. This is measured in liters L cubic centimeters or milliliters ml. It tells you how much space an object occupies. So, density helps us understand how the particles are in a substance. For example, have the same volume but differences. The one with more mass will higher density. Is there a specific material or object you're curious about in terms of topic?
सो ये था मेरा मैटर के बारे में इंटरव्यू कॉल के साथ कि आपको पसंद आया होगा। मिलते हैं अगले इंटरव्यू के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
Really enjoyed our chat about